All right, let's see if we can find some shocks. Ah, there they are. One for the other side. If you have an account, you can sign in here, or well, maybe you just continue as a guest. So we got our fake delivery address. We proceed to order payment. And it doesn't like it. But it does work when you put in your proper information. Review of the final checkout page. Ground shipping to my address. Both struts are on there. Estimated delivery November 26th to December 3rd. Review done. Pay now. November 24 and my KYB shocks are here. Pretty good. 2 days earlier than promised. Well, 2 different size boxes. That looks interesting. Let's see what's in there. KYB. Well, looks okay so far. Some details. And that looks small. That looks smaller. Ah, it's compressed. More details. Well, Looks about the same in the uncompressed. Definitely one left. One right. All right. Time to install them.